everyone, welcome back to my channel. There are more than 1 million ethnic Koreans living in northeast China. Their diet has also become part of the Chinese food. Today's recipe, the famous cold noodles, is from the menu of ethnic Koreans. It's a delicacy that almost every family cooks in summer, with a sweet and sour taste. Let's get started. Cook the beef first. Prepare 150 grams of beef, 3 bay leaves, 10 grams of ginger, 1 small piece of cinnamon, about 3 grams. To save time, cook the beef in the pressure cooker. Put them in the pressure cooker. Add 500 milliliters of water. Cook for 30 minutes. 200 grams of buckwheat cold noodles, separated one by one. Soak in cold water for 20 minutes before boiling. Also need to boil 1 egg. The beef is done. Remove the spices. Cut the beef into slices. Filter the beef broth through a fine sieve. Three tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add them to the beef broth. Mix well with chopsticks. Set aside. 1 apple, 1 cucumber, peeled and shredded. 1 tomato, sliced. Cut the boiled egg in half. Some kimchi, about 20 grams. Count all the side dishes for cold noodles. Apple shreds, cucumber shreds, tomato slices, beef slices, kimchi. Boil a pot of water. Add the cold noodles. Cook for 2 minutes. Transfer to a bowl with cold water. Then drain. Arrange all the side dishes on the noodles. Pour in the seasoned beef broth. Delicious cold noodles are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.